Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails. Today I'm going to make two drinks which can be enjoyed by babies. Today's drink is brought to you by our sponsor, Secondhand Reebok. How can they be classic if you have to buy them new? Secondhandreebok.com. Available on the internet. The baby Guinness and the baby beer was invented in Ireland by an Irishman named Gregory. He worked in a Ballymun bar named The Towers. The origin of the story came to be that two best friends by the name of Gary and Gerard had recently become fathers. Their boys, now 9 months old, they decided it's time to go out and wet the whistle. And so they did. They went to the Towers bar and walked up to Gregory and said, "I'll have a pint of Guinness for myself and a pint of Guinness for my boy." Ger said the same in version of beer. Gregory was not having this. "Lads, we just go out with that. I'm not going to be responsible for getting kids locked in here. He's mad." So they come up with a compromise, you see. The compromise being, should just make them a baby version. Gregory agreed wholeheartedly, and so was born in Ballymun pub, The Towers, the baby Guinness and the baby beer. This is how it's made. First, I'm going to get some Kahlua, which is coffee liqueur, and I'm going to 3/4 fill my shot glass. And I'm going to use an Italian liqueur called Galliano, which is delicious on its own, but if you put a beer head on it, it's even nicer. We pour our glasses 3/4 way full, and now we give them the head. So I'm going to float this on. The baby Guinness and the baby beer. The men went on to have a fantastic day and continue to do this weekly routine for the next 25 years. To Ger and Gar.